Good morning, students. Yesterday in last class we have given what is integration by parts, how it has come, what is the formula, everything, and an example I explained now. The continuation of it, in that only integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is the formula. This formula, how it has come, I have shown, I'll explain here. So e power x into f of x plus f dash x is there. Now I am separating it, e power x into f of x dx plus e power x into f dash x dx. I just separated these two. Now this I am using here by parts. Yesterday, what is by parts formula, you know it. Here I consider first function as f of x and second function as e power x. You know, integral of f of x, if you write, means nothing can be written. So this is first function, this is second function, because integral e power x is e power x. So according to the by parts formula, first function into integral of second function means e power x minus integral of derivative of first function f dash x into integral of second function e power x dx plus f dash x into e power x dx, which is here. Now if you see here minus f dash x e power x plus f dash x e power x cancel. What is left over? E power x into f of x plus c is left over. That is nothing but the formula. Here afterwards, whenever you see the problem in this format, directly we will write e power x into f of x plus c, and we won't do these two steps. Okay? Yes, now we are moving to the exercise 7.6 now. Problem number 2. Problem number 1 is x sin x. Problem number 2 is x sin 3x. So x sin x you can do it, and x sin 3x now I am doing here. In this, generally in one formula they will say which one you should take first function, which one you should take second function, means ilate. They will say I means inverse, ilate means L means logarithmic, A means algebra, ilate L-A-T-E, algebra, T trigonometrical, E exponential. That is called ilate. Instead of that, I'll just tell you whichever diminishing function, means first function derivative must be come down. That is called first function, which has integral means second function. Suppose integral don't have, that is first function. That's all simply. So while doing problems only, you'll come to know which is first function, which is second function. Now here you see, x is there, sin 3x is there. I'll consider as x function. Why? Because first function has derivative of x1 over, Suppose if I take this is sin 3x first function, sin 3x derivative 3 cos 3x, and integral x is x square by 2, like that it will go on, it never ends. So that's why ilate is given like that only. So first function means x, second function means sin 3x. So using this I am doing now, again by parts using formula we are working out. So this is nothing but first function into integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function into integral of second function dx whole dx. Yesterday's formula we are just implementing, because just now we have started our problems. So that is why first function into integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function into integral of second function. So first function means x. What is integral sin x? Integral sin x is minus cos x. That's why minus cos 3x. In derivative means 3x derivative will put 3, integration by 3. So by 3 minus integral derivative of x with respect to x 1, integral sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3 dx. Now plus into minus x cos 3x by 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 3 integral cos 3x. So how much you got? Minus x cos 3x by 3 plus 1 by 3 integral cos 3x, again sin 3x by 3 plus c over. That's all. This is the how by parts will do. So first problem is what? X cos x sin x. That you should do it as a homework. Now third problem, integral x square into e power x dx. Again I told you derivative of x square is 2x, again 2x derivative 2. This is called diminishing. E power x, if you take, you never diminish. E power x, e power x, e power x only. So that's why here first function is x square, second function is e power x. So first function into integral of second function minus derivative of first function integral of second function whole dx. Now what happened now? X square into integral e power x minus integral derivative of x square 2x integral of e power x dx. Okay, now x square e power x minus 2 I brought outside, integral x e power x. Okay na, x e power x. So now again what you have to do now, again this is by parts. So again this is by parts, again you have to do a by part formula. So x square e power x minus 2 into, I put bracket. So this all I will find it. Now I will see this is separately. This is first function, this is second function. Already I wrote 2 times now to explain you what is simply. Now directly I am proceeding now. First function into integral of e power x means e power x. That is called direct. Integral of e power x is e power x minus integral of derivative of x 1 integral of e power x dx. So every time you need not to put 1-2 steps, 1-2 problems to understand, we do like that. Now x square e power x minus 2x e power x minus into minus plus 2 into integral e power x is e power x. If we take e power x common throughout, e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. Now every student will get doubt now. Sir, integral x square e power x means you did by parts 2 times. See here what happened now here. First part is what? Here 1 time you did, again you did here second time also. So by parts means 2 times you did because x square is there. Suppose if x cube is there means shall we do 3 times? If x power 4 is there, shall you do 4 times? Like that you will get doubt now. So now here what you have to do? Yes, able to get. For example, I will give integral x power 4 into e power x dx is there, for example. So how many times you have to do? You have to do 4 times this problem. So instead of doing that, what we'll do here, see, x power 4. So what happened here? So observe here, e power x every time is common. You put e power x here. Then what is there? X square, whatever given function that you write here. Next what happened now? Minus. First plus, next minus, and derivative of x power 4, 4x cube, plus minus plus alternative, 4x cube derivative, 12x square minus 24x plus 12, minus 24x plus 24. That's all. Plus c. Over your answer in 1 step has come now. See here. So you need not to do 4 times. First of all you take e power x. Now x power 4, derivative of x power 4, 4x cube. 4x cube derivative 12x square. 12x square derivative 24x. 24x derivative 24. So here what happened? Plus minus plus minus plus. Alternative plus minus you put. Whatever value you are going to get, that is the answer. So you need not to worry. In entrance means you can do like this. But PU means you have to do each and everything. Okay? You understood? Let us move to the problem number, next problem. That is problem number 4. I will do again. Problem number 4 is you do it as a homework and we will do problem number 5 now. So what is the problem number 5? Let us see now here. Problem number 5 is here integral log x into integral x into log 2x dx. So I will write problem number 5 here. Integral x into log 2x dx here. You know that we don't have integral for log x. 1 by x integral is log x, but log x integral we don't have. So we cannot take this as a first function. You must take this as a first function only. You cannot take second function. So first function means what? Log 2x. Into what is integral of second function? X dx minus integral derivative of and d by dx of first function means log 2x into integral of second function and whole dx. That is how we write. If you after practicing directly you can write, directly put derivative and you can proceed. But now because slowly we are moving now, log 2x. What is integral of x? X power 1. X power 1 means x to the power of n plus 1 and x square by 2 minus integral derivative of log 2x. 2x you consider as x, log x, and 1 by x, 1 by 2x into derivative of 2x, 2, that we will do, again into 2, this is derivative only, integral of x, x square by 2 dx. So presence of mind must be there, which you are doing integration, which you are doing log, that must be there. Here derivative you are doing log 2x, 1 by 2x into x into 2, here we are doing integration, so x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, so that is very important, otherwise problem will come. So here x square cancel, so how much we will get now? X square by 2 log 2x, x square by 2 log 2x minus 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 constant you took outside, then what is left over? X dx is left over, so x square by 2 log 2x minus 1 by 2 integral x means x square by 2, so therefore finally what we will get? This is nothing but plus c over now x square by 2 log 2x minus 1 by 2 x square by 2 plus c. If you want you can take x by 2 common, x log 2x minus of plus c, that is up to you. Simplification, whichever you format you can do it. If you want to further take x square by 2 both sides here, so this is nothing but log 2x minus 1 plus c. Again if you want log 1 can be written as log e, so that's why according to the option you can do it, but now this is pu, you need not worry. Okay, problem number 4, x log x, that you have to do homework. Problem number 1, x sin x, you have to do homework. Now here what is next is given x square log x, so again I told you x square e power x, like that he has given, x square log x is given, means again you have to do differentiate 2 times, 2 times by parts you have to do, because x square is there. So anyhow we will do that once again, that is x square log x. So I will put problem number 6 now, x square log x dx here. So now when you take this is, what is first function? Log x only. Why? Because log x don't have integral. So what is second function here? X square dx minus integral d by dx of log x, d by dx of log x into integral x square dx. So this is as usual I am putting now. Again always this formula you have to bear in your mind. First function into integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function into integral of second function dx, like that. So log x into what is integral x square, x cube by 3 minus integral derivative of log x 1 by x integral of x square x cube by 3 dx. So here x square times it will go. See now here 2 times not necessary now, x cube by 3 log x, happily we got it, minus 1 by 3 integral x square dx, because log x we got 1 by 1. So happiest persons now we are. So x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3, what is integral x square? X cube by 3 plus c. Again you want to simplify, you take x cube by 3 common, what you are going to get? Log x minus 1 by 3, log x minus 1 by 3 plus c. We can write like this. So from this I can again, when power is highest, sir x square power 4, no problem, x square power 4 also you can do it, because we are not doing 2 times by parts, only 1 time. Even though I want to give one formula for examination point of view, entrance examination, x power n log x dx is there, and whatever be the power here, 2 maybe 3 or n, if it is comes like this, it is nothing but x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. If you put directly this, you will get your answer. You need not do all these things, but PU you have to do. Only entrance I am telling you. Here x square is there. X square is there means what is n? 2. 2 plus 1 3. X cube by 3. Yes, we got it. Log x minus 1 by n means 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 we got it. Over, So that's why in entrance point of view, this type of problem is given. If you remember this formula, then it is easy. We can do it. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Next problem means what? Problem number 7 now. Here problem number 7. So all by parts formulas, only by parts formula you are only using, we are all doing this. So therefore problem number 7 is what is there, we will see now. Here problem number 7 means integral x sin inverse x is given Problem number 7, integral x sine inverse x given. Integral x sine inverse x dx. Integral x sine inverse x dx means what to do, you see now here. So this is again by parts. Again by parts. As I said, do you have integral for sine inverse directly? No. Therefore this is first function, this is second function. Whichever you don't have integral means that must be a first function. Again by formula, first function into sine inverse x into integral of second function x dx minus integral derivative of first function into d by dx of sine inverse x into integral of x dx whole dx. So whenever you spell the formula, you can remember it. Otherwise, there is chances writing mistakes. So now sine inverse x into what is the integral of x? X square by 2 power 1 means 1 plus 1 2 x square by 2 minus integral. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. What is integral of x? X square by 2 dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now how you can simplify now? X square by 2 sine inverse x minus integral 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 constant, you take it outside, x square by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now you have to use whatever the formulas, methods you have used before this exercise. How to do this problem, you tell me now. You tell me now. So it is an improper fraction log. Otherwise, how to do, you tell me now. So it is nothing but x square is there. If we write 1 minus x square add and subtract, it will get, but I should say. So now we go for substitution. If we go for substitution, how much you are going to get, I'll tell you. Okay, because you are not, after this formula I can tell you. Now I cannot tell. If you add 1 minus, we will get it. But next topic is there, the formulas. So next topics we are not completed. That's why I don't want to tell you that method. Now which method I am going to tell to do this? Put x is equal to sine theta, substitutional method. Put x is equal to sine theta means dx is equal to cos theta d theta. So therefore minus 1 by 2 x square means how much? Sine square theta by root of 1 minus cos square theta into derivative of sine theta cos theta d theta. Okay, now here what we will do now? So x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral sine square theta by root of 1 minus cos square theta sine square theta root sine square theta, sorry, x is equal to sine theta, you have to substitute. 1 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta, root cos square theta is cos theta, here cos theta into here cos theta, both will get cancelled, and this is sine square theta left over. So x square by 2 sine inverse x, I will write 1 by 2 integral sine square theta, I will write 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta, because again you have to remember your trigonometrical values. Sine square theta means, so it is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. If you remember, that only you can do, because already did in 7.3 exercise, we did all these trigonometrical identities. So if you practice, you will remember all those things. Now, basing on that, x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by, here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 integral d theta, again minus into minus plus 1 by 4 into integral cos 2 theta d theta, I separated. We can separate now. So therefore x square by 2 sine inverse, this is nothing is there to simplify. So 1 by 4 integral d theta means theta plus 1 by 4. What is cos theta? Sine 2 theta by 2. Now we have to do now x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 4. What is theta? X is equal to sine theta. Theta is equal to sine inverse x. So this is nothing but half sine inverse x plus 1 by 4. Again I will write sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cos theta, because sine 2 theta value I don't know. That's why 2 cancel here. So don't worry. X square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x plus 1 by 4. What is sine theta? Sine theta means x. Okay, write x into root of, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta, trigonometry function. Root of 1 minus sin square theta means 1 minus x square. So that's why we'll write root of 1 minus x square. So this is what you got it. If you want to take sin inverse x common here, you can take sin inverse common. If you want, you can write x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus x into root of 1 minus x square by 4 plus c. Whatever format you want, you can do it. This is what x sin inverse x. Once again, I'll explain you because this is important problem. We have given x sin inverse x because sin inverse x don't have integral directly. That's why we have considered sin inverse as first function and x as second function. So according to the by parts, first function into integral of second function minus derivative of first function into integral of second function, okay, dx. Therefore sin inverse x into integral of x square by 2 minus integral derivative of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square integral of x square by 2 dx. So here this part is over. Always we'll write the same. Minus 1 by 2, I brought it here, integral x by root of 1 minus x square dx here, because we don't have formula now. That's why put x is equal to sin theta, dx is equal to cos theta. To simplify this, I took that one. So x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2, x square means sin square theta by root of 1 minus sin square theta into dx means cos theta d theta. So x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta root cos square theta cos theta cancel. So sin square theta has come. Again sin square theta is there means we can't do integral. That's why its formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 means I separated. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 d theta minus into minus plus 1 by 4 cos 2 theta. Again integral d theta means theta, integral cos theta means sin 2 theta by 2. So here 1 by 4, what is the theta? Put x is equal to sin theta means theta is equal to sin inverse x. I wrote the same, plus 1 by 4 sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta by 2, 2 cancel, sin theta means x and cos theta means what? Root of 1 minus sin square theta, root of 1 minus x square, that I wrote plus c, I took common, over. Okay na? This is either x square sin inverse x or x square cos inverse x will come like this only. So this is an important problem to remember. Okay, my dear students, let us move to the next problem number 8 now. He has given 8 x tan inverse x now. So we'll do that x tan inverse x problem number 8 now. So this all you have to practice. So only one mantra, that practice. As long as you are going on practicing it, all problems will appear for you very easy. Whenever it is very easy, then confidently we can go for your entrance level examinations also. Okay, let us move to the problem number 8, where it is given x tan inverse x dx. So x tan inverse x dx means again by parts. Again we don't have tan inverse x integral. That's why tan inverse x will consider as first function and x as second function. Therefore, according to the formula, first function into tan inverse x into integral of second function, integral x dx minus integral derivative of first function means derivative of tan inverse x into integral of second function, integral of x dx whole dx. That is what generally we do it. Now you see now, so tan inverse x into integral x means x square by 2 minus integral derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square into x means x square by 2 dx. That is an integral only, no? Okay, so here also over now, x square into tan inverse x by 2, you can write like this, minus 1 by 2, here x square by 1 plus x square dx. Here you cannot go for substitution because there is no root. If root is there means substitution we need it. Now how to do, sir, without substitution? You see now, x square by 2 tan inverse x minus what I will do, 1 by 2, denominator 1 is there, so add 1, subtract 1. Already we did in second, exercise second. Okay, substitution method, improper fraction. That's why add and subtract. Then what will happen? X square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. You write, no problem. One step gone means nothing will happen. So minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now these two cancel now. So x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral dx. What is left over? Integral dx. Integral dx means x plus 1 by 2. 1 by 1 plus x square is how much? Tan inverse x. Here tan inverse x, here tan inverse x. If you can take common, no problem as usual. Tan inverse x into x square by 2 plus half minus x by 2 plus c. So here, so in compared to the x sin inverse x tan inverse x a little bit easy. Correct? First function, integral of second function. Why? Because derivative of tan is 1 by 1 plus root is not there. If root is there, again put x is equal to tan theta, substitution you have to do. Because of there is no root, add and subtract, we did it, separate it, directly we got the formula. So that's why x tan inverse x is a little bit easy when compared to the x sin inverse x. Okay, now let us move next to the next problem, x cos inverse x. I feel you can do that because x sin inverse x, if you practice, x cos inverse x is same method. But what is the difference? That is minus only. What is the difference? X sin inverse x and x cos inverse x, what you are going to do? Derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That only difference. So therefore you can do it. So you try that. Derivative of cos inverse x, 1 minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to sin theta. Whatever you did in there only, you will do the same. Repetition only. So x cos inverse x also you please do as homework. Okay. Now three problems are given here. That is x sin x, x log x and x cos inverse x. Because all three I already explained you. That's why I given homework now. Now we'll go to the move to the problem number 10 now. Problem number 10 is what now? Means integral sin inverse x whole square dx. Whenever sin inverse x whole square dx is only one function is given, so all will get doubt. Sir, sin inverse x whole square means how we'll do? Because we need two functions. It has only one function. How to do? How to do means again we had to take either another function as 1 because integral 1 dx is x. That's why don't have any problem. We can do like that, or we can take, that is the better method. Put x is equal to sin theta, substitution we can take it. So any one of these two methods we can go. We'll try for sin inverse x whole square into 1. We'll see now. So integral sin inverse x whole square into 1 dx. We'll see. If I feel this is difficult, then I'll tell you this substitution method. Okay. So therefore here first function is this, second function is this. So first function into means sin inverse x whole square into integral of second function, integral of 1 dx minus integral derivative of first function means sin inverse x whole square into derivative of first function is this only into integral of 1 dx. That is nothing but whole dx. We'll do like this. We'll see what will happen. Now, so sin inverse x whole square, sin inverse x whole square into integral of 1 dx is x minus integral derivative of this. So 2 into sin inverse x by derivative of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. My dear students, you understood, you know, this is x power n formula. I treated this is as x power n derivative, n into x power of n minus 1 or x square derivative 2x. Since it is not x, derivative of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integral of 1 x dx. That is how I simplified. Now let us see what will happen now. X into sin inverse x whole square. So here nothing is there. Now simplification, everything you have to do here only. Okay. Now see, now if I got doubt, put sin inverse x is equal to t, 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. That will be easy. Here you can do it like that only, no? So that's why we can do like this. So here 2 will come out. So x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square is there into dx. Now again I am going for substitution here. Put x is equal to, or put sin inverse x is equal to t, because substitution, second method, second topic we learned, because derivative is appearing here. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt is there already. So this is nothing but x sin inverse x whole square minus 2 into integral sin inverse x by, sin inverse x means t, dx by root of 1 minus x square means dt. Now what is more is there? More x is there. Sin inverse x is equal to t means x is equal to sin t. So t sin t dt. Again here by parts has come. Here by parts has come now. So therefore no problem. So x into sin inverse x whole square minus 2 into, put bracket here. Now I will put directly. I will put directly means I don't want to write like this. So keep in your mind, first function t into integral of sin t minus cos t. That is what direct means. So integral of sin t minus cos t minus integral derivative of t with respect to t 1 integral of sin t minus cos t dt. If you write like this, so half of the problem is over. So therefore x into sin inverse x whole square, now x into sin inverse x square minus into minus plus 2 into, okay, better you write 2t cos t, now minus into minus plus into minus 2 into integral cos t sin t. Now what you have to do now, x into sin inverse x whole square plus 2 into, what is 2, take common now, what is a t means here, see, t means sin inverse x, what is cos t, x is equal to sin t. I will write here, don't get confused. This implies x is equal to sin t. You got it, you know. Now cos t you want means what? Root of 1 minus sin square t is equal to cos t. Correct? Root of what is sin t? X. So 1 minus x square is equal to cos t. This you can do in memory, in mind, but better to write once again. So t means what? Sin inverse x. Cos t means what? Root of 1 minus x square. So root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x minus, I took 2 common, into sin t. Sin t means x plus c over. That's all. So this is what we got it in the x sin inverse x whole square formula. Once again, sin inverse x whole square means nothing but integral sin inverse x whole square into dx. There is no second function. If there is no second function in integration, we can put 1. So that's why sin x whole square into 1 I put. Then what happened now? It is first function into integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function into integral of second function. Now sin inverse x whole square into integral 1 dx means x minus integral. What is the derivative of sin inverse x whole square? X power n formula, n into 2x x to the power of n minus 1. Since it is not x, derivative of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integral of 1 is nothing but x. Now x sin inverse x whole square minus 2 into x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. So here what I am doing now, put sin inverse x is equal to t, it's a derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x dx square is dx is equal to dt. So therefore wherever x is there, sin t, wherever sin inverse x is there, t sin t dt, we got it. This is by parts again. So whenever I do by parts here, first function into integral of sin t minus cos t minus integral derivative of t with respect to t 1 integral of sin t minus cos t dt. Now x sin inverse x whole square minus into minus plus 2t cos t, again minus into minus plus into minus 2 into integral cos t sin t. So wherever t is there, again you should go back, you know, x sin inverse x whole square, I took 2 common, t means what? T means what? Sin inverse x. Cos t means what? Root of 1 minus x square minus sin t means x plus c. This is what you got in sin inverse x whole square. Okay, my dear students, again like that. Now here x cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x square given 11th problem. Here from here it is given 11th problem. Here x sinus x by root of 1 minus x square I substituted. Now that fellow x cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx as 11th problem he has given. So now what will do 11th problem? From here it will start. Put cos inverse x is equal to t minus 1 by root of 1 minus x dx square is equal to dt. Like that, from this part only you will do it. This part only will come. So my dear student, this also you can do it. Okay na? You can do it. So x inverse x by 1 root of 1 minus x square, you can do it. That is another one homework problem. Now we will move to the problem number 12 now. X secant square x. Now problem number 12 now. If you move to the problem number 12, integral x secant square x dx. Do you have integral for secant square x? Yes. This is diminishing. So this is first function, this is second function. First function into x into integral of second function secant square x dx minus integral derivative of first function into integral of second function dx. So secant square x dx whole dx. That's what we will do now here. So therefore now x into integral secant square x, that is nothing but tan x minus integral derivative of x with respect to x 1 integral secant square x tan x dx now. So what will happen now? X tan x minus what is integral tan x? Log secant x. You know it because we did it. So before second order, integral sin x by cos x, log secant x or minus log cos x. Anyone you can do it. So that's plus c over. Very simple. See, x secant square x means very simple. Once again, first function into integral of second function minus derivative of first function into integral of second function. So x into integral secant square x tan x minus integral derivative of x with respect to x 1 integral secant square x tan x dx. So x tan x minus tan x integral tan x, either log secant x or minus log cos x, whichever you want you can write it. Minus log cos x means plus log cos x will come, or minus log 1 by secant x, minus log secant x. Anyone you can do it, no problem at all. So this is problem number 12. So my dear students, once again I will tell you. So now integral 13th problem what is given, I will tell you. Tan inverse x, I'll do with this, then I'll tell you what the important homework problems are given, I'll write here. So tan inverse x alone, before that x tan inverse x. Now only tan inverse x is given. You know that only single function is given means what to do? Second function we should consider as 1. So in this case also we will do the same. So therefore what you are going to do is nothing but here you see. So therefore now tan inverse x problem number 13 now we will take it now here. Problem number 13, integral tan inverse x dx, tan inverse x dx. So here what we will do now, this is nothing but integral tan inverse x into 1 dx, because there is no second function, because tan inverse cannot be integrated. So therefore first function is tan inverse x. So tan inverse x into first function into integral of 1 dx minus integral derivative of first function means derivative of tan inverse x integral of second function integral of 1 dx whole dx you put it. So now here what you are going to get, tan inverse x integral of 1 dx means x minus integral derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square into integral of 1 dx x you wrote now. So here what will happen, x tan inverse x minus, if you are very good at your practice, after seeing this you can easily do 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So I multiplied by 2 numerator and denominator vice r, because you know it, integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x, log mod f of x plus c. This formula you know it. So that's why immediately 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x. If 2 is there, this formula will come. It is makes easy. So that's why multiply by 2, divide by 2. So finally x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into f dash x by f of x form, log f of x means log of mod 1 plus x square plus c over, that's all. So this is very easy and important problem. See how we did it. So that is how the practice before whatever you did, if you remember those formulas also well, we can do very fastly. Or You have to do very slowly. You have to do which formula is, where you got it, from where you get it. So that's why practice is very, very important. So 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, you are practicing. You should practice always, including examples. If you do means it is okay. So homework problems I will write here, and again because you should do it. So one is integral x sin x dx, because x sin 3x I told. According to that we can do. This is problem number 1. Next, problem number 4. Problem number 4 I have given, that is integral x log x, because already x log 2x I told. According to that you can do. Easy problem only I am giving homework for you. Then I did everything I did. Next, 11th problem. I think x cos inverse also I given. 9. X sin inverse x I did, So x cos inverse x. X cos inverse x dx. This is another problem. Again 9, 11. Because 10th problem I did, From 10th problem half is nothing but 11 problem. Integral x cos inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Put cos inverse x is equal to t, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. Same, what we did like that, it will come. So these 1, 4, 9, 11, these 4 problems you please do. Next class I am going to, when I am going to continue, I will see. So all the 4 problems you should know it. Whatever problems I taught today also, you just practice it. Okay, we will meet you next class.